My name is LeBaron Durant. I am the owner of Durant Enterprises. Durant Enterprises is a consumer consultation and credit repair business where we partner with our clients, help educate them on how to do credit repair. We take a position more so of education to partner with them. The accomplishments that I've had so far are, I broke 20K last year. I'm moving into the part where I'm tuning the business and getting more views. I love to spend time with my family, of course. I mean, one of the things that we love to do is like going horse riding. I mean, I'm a musician as well. I play drums. I play for my church. I'm also part of the media team at my church as well. I love flying my drone as well. An unexpected challenge that I had was raising money. That was a challenge for me because I had to make sure I had it put aside. And then if I was drawing from the funds that I had already, then I just wanted to make sure I wasn't taking away from my family. A challenge has been making sure I keep the balance